2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?